Exercise 5.2. Question number 1. Find the modulus and the argument of a complex number -1, -2, 3i. So method is what? First of all, write in the form z is equal to a plus I, that is normal form. Compare a is equal to -1, b is equal to -2, 3. Then magnitude or modulus is denoted by r and it is written mod z also, and it is defined as root of a square plus b square. So root of a -1 square will be 1 plus b root 3 square will be our 6, so 1 plus 3 4, square root of 4 is 2. Okay, now the polar form is z is equal to r cos theta plus I r sin theta. So in place of r, okay, so here we have to find out theta. So r cos theta is equal to how much? -1. So cos theta is equal to how much? -1 by r. R is how much? 2. So -1 by 2. So cos theta is negative and sin theta is equal to b by r, that is -3 by 2, negative. Now cos is negative, sin is negative, means you are in third quadrant. Cos negative, sin negative, you are in third quadrant. Cos negative, sin negative, third quadrant. And just think in your mind, sin of what is root 3 by 2? Sin of what is root 3 by 2? 60 degree, that is pi by 3. So pi by 3 in first quadrant, here will be pi by 3. Now same distance when you come back side, you get minus pi by 3, and same distance here you get minus 2 pi by 3. Or you can remember like this: the first pi by 3, first multiple, second multiple is 2 pi by 3. Same way here when you come back, minus pi by 3, minus 2 pi by 3. Okay, so theta is equal to how much? Minus 2 pi by 3. Or if this is the principal period, because we have to take principal period between minus pi to pi. Now if you are just argument, this is principal argument. If you are asked to find an argument, you can add 2k pi. Okay, why? Because after adding 2k pi, you are going to come back at the same point. Okay, same way, question number 2, find the modulus and argument of minus root 3 plus I. So a is how much? Minus root 3, b is how much? 1. So r will be how much? Root of minus root 3 square will be 3 plus 1 square will be 1, 3 plus 1 4, square root of 4 is 2. So therefore r is equal to, now cos theta is equal to how much? A by r, that is minus root 3 by 2. Sin theta is equal to how much? B by r, that is 1 by 2. Now cos is negative, sin is positive. Cos negative, sin positive. You are in second quadrant. Cos negative, sin positive, second quadrant. Okay, now just think first sin of what is 1 by 2 in first quadrant. Sin of 30, that is 5 by 6 in the first quadrant. Now we are in second quadrant. So second multiple of 5 by 6. What is second multiple of 5 by 6? 5 pi by 6. So here we get what? 5 pi by 6. Now this is a principal argument. This is a principal argument. But if you are asked to find out just argument, just add 2k pi. Just add 2k pi when they come straight. Now convert z is equal to 1 minus I in polar form. Okay, so a is equal to how much? 1, b is equal to how much? Minus 1, comparing. So r is equal to root of a square plus b square, that is root of 1 square plus minus 1 square, that is root 2. Okay, now cos theta is a by r. A is how much? 1 by r, root 2. Positive. Sin theta is equal to b by r, minus 1 by root 2. Negative. Cos positive, sin negative. Cos positive, sin negative. Cos positive, sin negative. We are in fourth quadrant. Okay, so first of all, think sin of what is 1 by root 2 in the first quadrant, pi by 4. Pi by 4. Then as we are in fourth quadrant, same distance to come back. So what you get? Minus pi by 4. Okay, so polar form is z is equal to cos theta plus I r sin theta is the polar form, where theta is equal to open close interval minus pi to pi. Open close interval minus pi to pi. Here somewhere I have written minus pi to pi. Theta belongs to open close interval minus pi to pi. Okay, so that is minus pi by 4 theta. So z is equal to r, that is root 2. And cos of theta, theta is how much? Minus pi by 4 plus I r sin theta, that is minus pi by 4. Okay, same question, all questions are same. Then convert z into minus 1 plus I, comparing a is minus 1, b is 1. So r is equal to root of a square plus b square, minus 1 square 1, 1 square 1 is equal to root 2. Cos theta is equal to a by r, minus 1 by root 2, that is negative. Sin theta is equal to b by r, that is 1 by root 2, positive. Cos negative, sin positive. Sorry, cos negative, sin positive. You are in second quadrant, and in second quadrant, first of all you think sin of what is 1 by root 2 in first quadrant, that is pi by 4. You take the second multiple, you are in second quadrant. So pi by 4 second multiple is 3 pi by 4. So put here r cos theta plus I r sin theta, r is root 2 and theta is 3 pi by 4. Okay, question number 5. Convert z is equal to minus 1 minus I in polar form. Same only, a is minus 1, b is minus 1, r is root of a square plus b square, minus 1 square plus minus 1 square, that is root of 1 plus 1 to root 2. Cos theta is equal to a by r, minus 1 by root 2, sin theta is equal to b by r, minus 1 by root 2, cos negative, sin negative. Cos negative, sin negative, you are in third quadrant. Okay, now just think in your mind sin of what is 1 by root 2. So pi by 4, pi by 4. So next in fourth quadrant it will be minus pi by 4. If you move ahead, pi by 4 second multiple is 3 pi by 4. Here minus pi by 4, then minus 3 pi by 4. So theta will be how much? Minus 3 pi by 4. Where it is yes, theta is equal to minus 3 by 4. Writing the polar form, that is equal to r cos theta plus I r sin theta. R is how much? Root 2, and theta is how much? Minus 3 pi by 4. Question number 6. Convert z is equal to minus 3 in the polar form. So minus 3 I will take minus 3 plus 0 I. A is minus 3, B is 0. So r is equal to how much? Root of a square plus b square. That is minus 3 square. 9 plus 0 square 0. 9 plus 0 9. Square root of 9 is 3. We have to take positive value. Cos theta is equal to a by r. That is minus 3 by 3 minus 1. Sin theta is equal to b by r. 0 by 1. That is 0. So cos theta is minus 1 and sin theta is 0. Where this point minus 1 comma 0. Where it is? Minus 1 comma 0 is here. Minus 1 comma 0. So here minus 1 comma 0 means initially 0 by minus pi by 2, and here it is minus pi, and here 0 pi by 2 pi. But we are taking open close to minus pi to pi, so theta will be how much? Pi plus pi. So here I have taken theta is equal to pi, because at this point you will get cos value minus 1 and sin value 0. So this point is pi, theta is equal to pi. Okay, so what's the polar form? Z is equal to r 3 cos theta, that is pi, plus I sin theta, that is pi. Convert root 3 plus I in polar form. Okay, same. R is root 3. Sorry, A is root 3, B is 1. So R is equal to root of a square plus b square. That is 3 plus 1, 4. 4 square is 2. See here, R is equal to 2. Now cos theta is equal to A by R, 3 by 2. Sin theta is equal to B by R, that is 1 by 2. So cos positive, sin positive. Okay, you are in first order, no problem. Just think sin of 1 is 1 by 2. Pi by 6. So theta is equal to pi by 6. Theta is equal to pi by 6. Theta is equal to pi by 6. That theta you put in the form, that is equal to r cos theta plus I r sin theta. R is 2 and theta is pi by 6. Okay, question number 8. Convert z is equal to I in polar form. So this I am writing 0 plus 1 into I. So A is 0 and B is 1. Okay, so I will got root of 0 square plus 1 square. That is 1 root of 1. Cos 0 is equal to A by R. That is 0 by 1 0. Sin theta is equal to B by R. That is 1 by 1 1. Now cos 0 sin 1 0 comma 1. Where it is 0 comma 1? This point 0 comma 1. At the B point. Okay, B point is what? 0 to pi by 2. Theta will be what? Pi by 2. So theta is equal to pi by 2. So polar form will be what? R cos theta plus I r sin theta. But R is 1. So 1 that I have not written into cos of theta. That is pi by 2 plus I sin of theta. That is pi by 2.